Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna Monet, and today I do have another wig review for you all. This unit was brought to us by Kriyya Hair, so thank you so much for sending over today's unit. This is the box that she came to us in, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this with you all, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the styling and all that good stuff. So as you can see, we have a few goodies in here, some hair clips, some eyelashes, a scarf, and a wig cap. So thank you for those. And of course, we have the unit here. So this is a V-part unit, as you can see here. And she does come with those standard clips in order to secure the unit around your natural parting space. So there are 5 clips, 2 on each side and 1 back here. And there are also 3 combs on the unit, 2 on each side, 1 down bottom, and adjustable straps. So as you can see, it is a curly texture, and she does have these pretty brown highlights throughout the unit. So this is my first time trying one of these like highlighted units. So I'm pretty excited about that, and I think it's going to blend with my natural hair pretty well. So I have my hair in my little 2 plaits, and it's pretty, you know, flattened down, but I did leave out this one little twist. Let's see if I can find about it. I did leave out like this one twist in order to have some leave out for this wig. So let me just clip her on. And the first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up all of these clips. But not the back one, because I really don't use the one back there. Just the 2 on each side. And I'm just going to clip it as close to the part as I can and press down. So that's looking pretty flat and pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and take this little twist out. Okay, so that is how the parting space is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and take this wide tooth comb to fluff up the hair, style her, get her how I want her, and I'll be back at the end for my final thoughts.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long.
So I did have to step out and go to my local beauty supply store, and while I was there, I found this sleek stick. It's called a hair sleek stick. I hope you can see it with the glare, but it's by Eben, New York. And it says that it's colored, so I got mine in the color natural black. They did have a few other colors you could get, but it's pretty much like a wax stick, and you wind it up with the little dial down bottom. You see, so that's what I'm going to use to conceal my grays, because y'all, I have gray hair. Don't come for me, all right? I'm a woman of a mature age. So I already did this side with the sleek stick, and you can see the difference it made. So I'm just going to try to do a little bit on camera. It is a little hard to see, so I will have to turn to the side maybe to really make sure I have it all. But I just thought this was so cool. Like, it's a great way to conceal your grays without having to color or anything. So I'm definitely gonna, I don't have the top on it, but I'm definitely gonna have to pick up another one of these. I'll see if it's on Amazon. If it is, I will link it down below, because y'all know we love a good Amazon sale. But yeah, this was at my local store. I thought it was cute, and I'm happy I picked it up. Bam! So as you can see, now we are gray free, nice and sleek. And my hair is like, my hair I think is blending pretty good, but just for a little extra blend, I'm going to go in with my, nothing is ever close when you need it, with my Aussie Headstrong Volume Mousse. Love, love, love this stuff. Smells so good. I'm just going to take a little bit of this. It really like flew. I'm just going to, you know, put that on my natural hair in the front, just so it can be kind of sleek and smooth and really blend in with our unit.
Give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, beauties, so I am all finished installing this unit, putting my little finishing touches on it, and y'all, I love this unit so much. It is gorgeous. So once again, this unit is from Kriyya Hair. It is 22 inches long, and it is in their curly texture. It is the brown wig with highlights. So for the exact length and specs that I have, this unit would be $202. That is what it's currently listed on their website for. However, you can get this unit for 14 inches starting out at $118. So let's go ahead and get into it. All of my thoughts on the unit, starting off with big head friendly. These V-part wigs are all size friendly because they come with those clips that allow you to put it exactly where you need and adjust it however you need to for your head size and shape. So all size friendly. This unit is also very beginner friendly. I literally installed her in about 5 or 10 minutes. Like, literally. She is so easy to work with. The clips, they are not hurting my head. They are actually very comfortable. It feels secure. It feels in place. I'm only using the 2 clips on each side. I'm not using that clip that's in the middle in the back. And I'm not using the combs either. And it feels very secure on my head. I am loving this color, this texture. It is so pretty on their website. I think they even call it Beyonce inspired. And yes, it's giving a little bit of Beyonce, but the texture is just gorgeous. I love the Jerry curly curls, the big voluminous hair. Now, you do not have to make yours this big and fluffy if you don't want to. You saw when I first put her on, she was pretty like sleek and curly. If you like that look, go for it. Me, on the other hand, I like it big, I like it fluffy, I like it bouncy. So I just fluffed it out, and I love how these curls came out. It blended with my hair really easy. And I have like 4B texture hair in like the natural world. That's my texture, and it blends pretty well. I did have my hair in like a little twist, as you saw. And like, look at this parting space. Just look at it. Shout out to my Eben Sleek Stick in the color Natural Black for getting rid of those gray hairs for me up top. But y'all, it's blending like so well, especially with my hair color. This hair does have a very full density, which I love. And also, I did not get a lot of shedding or tangling from this hair either. As I was like kind of combing it out, fluffing out a little bit, I did get a couple strands like here and there, but no tangles at all. Like, this hair is so soft and so smooth. I absolutely love it. Now, I have tried about 3 or 4 of these V-part units, and you can wear them even without leave out. especially when it's a curly texture like this, so you don't have to use leave out. And if you choose to use your leave out, then you only need a very little bit. So that's what makes these V parts so special, so easy, so beginner friendly. You really need little to no leave out at all. This hair, just like the last curly one I tried, is definitely giving me like vacation vibes. Y'all, I seriously may take this with me for a vacation. It's giving me all the feels, giving me all the looks, everything. I love it. Please let me know what you think about it down in the comment section below. I will have an exact link to this unit if you're interested in picking her up. I would once again like to give a special thank you to Kriyya Hair for sending this unit over to me for review. If you made it to the end of this video, then thank you so much for watching and continuing to support my channel. It really does mean so much to me. We are on the road to 10K, so please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you have not already, and send this to your mother, your cousin, your friend, your sister, whoever you think would enjoy this wig and maybe is going on vacation soon. Go ahead and share this video out because that does help my channel as well. I appreciate you so much, and I will chat with all of you later.